Various dimensions of individual differences the uniqueness of the learner important in the teaching learning process for Odisha B.Ed. Education Honors. Q. State the various dimensions of individual differences. How is the uniqueness of the learner important in the teaching learning process? Individual differences refer to the variations or differences among learners in terms of their abilities, interests, aptitudes, personalities, and learning styles. These differences play a crucial role in the teaching learning process, and it is important for teachers to understand and address them to ensure effective learning. Learners differ in their intelligence levels. Some may be fast learners, while others may need more time. IQ levels, analytical abilities, memory, and reasoning power vary. Some students learn best by seeing, visual, some by hearing, auditory, and others by doing, kinesthetic. Teaching strategies must align with these preferences. These traits influence participation and classroom behavior. A positive attitude towards learning helps in better performance. Aptitude is a learner's natural talent or ability in a specific area, such as mathematics, music, or language. Recognizing aptitude helps in career guidance. Some students are emotionally stable, while others may be sensitive or anxious. Emotional state affects attention, motivation, and performance. Learners come from diverse cultural, economic, and social environments. This affects language, behavior, and values. Physical disabilities or health issues can affect learning pace and classroom involvement. Requires special accommodations and support. Recognizing learner uniqueness helps teachers design personalized learning paths based on ability and interest. Encourages equal opportunity and avoids discrimination. Helps in addressing the needs of slow learners and gifted children alike. When teaching matches student preferences and strengths, they become more motivated and actively participate. Understanding personality and emotional needs helps in building rapport and trust between teacher and student. Acknowledging diversity reduces conflict, bullying, and ensures a positive learning environment. Teachers can use varied assessment methods, oral, written, practical, to fairly evaluate students' capabilities. By catering to individual needs, education supports intellectual, emotional, social, and moral development. The role of the teacher shifts from being an instructor to a guide, mentor, and supporter. Understanding individual differences is essential for effective teaching. Each learner is unique, and recognizing this uniqueness allows the teacher to adopt suitable strategies that cater to diverse needs. It leads to inclusive, meaningful, and joyful learning for all students.